Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. Good morning everyone. I am Cynthia Deta Ayu Prawanti from SMA Negeri 1 Puri, Mojokerto. For first of all, I would like to say my special thanks to Direktorat SMA Provinsi Jawa Timur, PT Jawa Pos, and all contributors that support this amazing competition. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand here with the motion this house will give social service and skill training for gambling offenders rather than imprisonment. And I agree with this motion. But before I give my argument, I would like to give a definition of words that are not understood by many people. What is social service? Social service is support provided usually by governments or community organizations to improve the well-being of individuals and society. And now, what about skill training? Skill training is program for practical abilities that help individuals work, become independent and improve their quality of life. And then gambling offenders. Gambling offenders is individuals who commit violation of the law related to gambling. The reason why I agree with the motion is rehabilitation is more just than punishment. Gambling is often linked to addiction, poverty, or lack of financial literacy, not pure criminal intents. Sending offenders to prison doesn't give a solution, because World Health Organization say addiction of gambling is behavioral disorder. It should be treated more like a public health issue than a crime. Overall rehabilitation and skills is human. That's why offenders was people who need help, not just punishment. For example, gambling offenders are undergoing inpatient treatment Cipto Mangunkusumo Hospital. They are being treated for rehabilitation for gambling addiction. The government ensures that it continues to rehabilitation service to treat gambling addiction. This step is expected to be able to deal with the surge in case of online gambling and online game addiction, as well as provide support for families to deal with the problem more effectively. Search from Tribeta News. Therefore, rehabilitation is more effective rather than punishment because rehabilitation can decrease the gambling addiction. And then, I want to offer a solution. Solution 1. Treat addiction gambling like a public health issue, similar to drug addiction. Government can create rehabilitation centers where offenders receive counseling and therapy. Solution 2. Skill training and job placement. Cause of repeat gambling is economic stability. Over offenders skill training and link them to real job can make them get away from gambling. If they can earn properly, the addiction of gambling decreases. You never succeed if you never begin. I am Cynthia Deta Ayu Prawanti. Thanks for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.